Hello everyone, my name is Cristian Negulescu. You know me for a lot of automation with UiPath and ChatGPT. Today we'll show you how to do from ChatGPT to call SAP and create a purchase order in SAP. So let's first run the demo and see what I can order. This will call a UiPath process, and this UiPath process will provide to ChatGPT the materials and the carriers, the companies that can deliver this stuff. So I have in my demo SAP account, I have a limited number of companies and a limited number of materials. So I will be able to match these two stuff and see how I can do an order for the material. So here is the data that I receive from the UiPath robot, and I will say I want for good 11 from carrier 2 price 8. So now ChatGPT will understand that I want to make the order, but first I need to have an authentication. So basically ChatGPT will generate a passkey, and this passkey will be sent to my email to identify that I'm the real person that used this robot. So here you will see that on my email we receive a new passkey. Please enter the passkey that I receive on the email. Let's go to my email and let's see. This is the new passkey. Okay, Control C. Now, if I go to ChatGPT and I put a virtual passkey like this, he will say that this is an error and passkey is invalid. So I'll put him the correct passkey. I provide him the correct passkey, and with the correct passkey, ChatGPT will go and call the SAP automation. So until now, he used automation that are in cloud serverless system, and now he will use an automation that it's on unattended. So I have here an unattended robot. We see on the unattended robot that we execute an automation that it's with sub API. So everything will be in the background, and we'll add our purchase order in SAP. Yeah. So let's wait for the automation to finish. And when the automation is finished, we'll go back to ChatGPT. So automation basically is finished. Let's come back to, so here is finished. Let's see in ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, we have this is the order that I wash, and this is the purchase number. So we have the purchase order number, and I go to SAP. In SAP, I will search for this purchase order number, and we'll see that this is the result. So let's see the result. And let's see the data are the same, yeah? So we have from carrier 2. So what was order? So from carrier 2, we have for goods 11. From carrier 2, we have goods 11, number of material 4, and the price 6, yeah? So these are the data that we pass from ChatGPT, and this data arrives to SAP, and you have a full purchase order in SAP. Good. Let's understand what we have in the back. So in the back, we have 3 UiPath processes. We have 2 processes that are for getting SAP products, where I have some JSON that generate the company and the materials. I have this one that generate the passkey that are serverless process, and I have a process that it's SAP BAPI that is able to write the purchase order. Yeah. Let's see what is the configuration in ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, the configuration is like this. So basically, I have here a configuration where I write to him case 1, case 2, case 3, where is the password, where is the first time, generate the number, tell him to extract the data for vendor, for price, quantity, product ID, and so on. And I tell him what to do with this stuff. And on the call to UiPath, I have here the JSON that I write with ChatGPT. So basically, I have the JSON with the 3 cases, and I have here 3 calls. One is order SAP, one is product SAP, and one is passkey product SAP, and the other one is passkey. Yeah, you see here that I have the 3 links: order SAP, product SAP, and passkey. For this to work inside of UiPath, I use API triggers. So here I define API triggers for each process. So for each process, I define an API trigger. And in this way, I was able, and you see, it's order SAP, password SAP, product SAP. I have a video where I explain in detail all these configurations. So for this one, call UiPath processes and wait for the response. So this is the video where you see the full configuration of this one. So that's the main idea, to be able. And in the end, I have here on the on an unattended an SAP process that it's called BAPI, and it's calling BAPI and adding via BAPI this stuff. This one I will not explain it because it's complex. It's not done by me, but I just reused the SAP BAPI call, and this SAP BAPI call, it's able to write all this data on SAP, and I pass the argument that is coming from ChatGPT. Okay, so that's the logic how to make an automation with ChatGPT, UiPath, and SAP. As usual, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, comment to my videos, and tell me what else you want to see inside of my videos. Thank you very much for watching. Stay safe. Have a good one. Bye-bye.